Beetlejuice? Beetlejuice? Beetlejuice. It's showtime. Attention K-Mart shoppers. Well, I'm back. Feels good, if you know what I mean. So, without further delay, come on a little closer. Step right up as I show you how to get this fabulous Beetlejuice-inspired look. Let's get this party started. I'm going to prep and prime my face with Laura Geller's Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer, and this is just going to help everything go on smoothly, last longer, and look more even. Then, taking this clown white face paint, I'm going to apply it all over my face using a damp beauty sponge. And you could just go ahead and take your time on this. Just keep on pressing and going over it all until it is fully covered. And don't worry about it looking absolutely perfect. This look is kind of messy. Now taking this awesome Beetlejuice eyeshadow palette from NYX Cosmetics, I'm just going to take that matte purple shadow and use it to contour around my face. Beetlejuice himself was quite a character, very dramatic, and he also kind of just reminded me of a jokester, a clown. So I wanted to make this look very dramatic and clown-like with a dash of glam. I'm going to use that same shadow applied to my eyelid and kind of just go all around in a circle shape, blending it right into that eye socket. Now taking my Disney Villains Misunderstood eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use that shimmery purple and apply it around my eyelids. And going back to that Beetlejuice palette, I'm going to take that sparkly purple and apply it right onto my lids. Y'all know I love me some sparkle and shine. So I'm going to use this Pretty Rich palette from Too Faced Cosmetics and take that beautiful glitter and apply it right over my lid. You guys, I am so obsessed with this vibrant, sparkling lime green shadow. It is poppin'. But if you notice in the original, he has a lot of green contouring around his face. Kind of look like he's been decaying for the last 300 years. You know what I mean? Using this gorgeous liner from ColourPop Cosmetics in Wild Idea, I'm just going to use that at the outer corners of my mouth, kind of working it outward. And this is just a really pretty multi-chrome green with like specks of sparkle, and I love it. I'm also going to use it on my waterline as well as to shape and define my eyebrows. Now taking their liquid eyeshadow in Beetle, how fitting, which is also a beautiful multi-chrome green. I'm just gonna place that on the outer corners of my mouth and kind of blend it in with my finger, as well as adding it in different areas on my face and neck. For blush, I'm using this Too Faced Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo, and I'm gonna apply that to the apples of my cheeks, just working it up towards my hairline. You guys, look at this incredible glitter from ColourPop in Disco Lady. I'm taking that and Blitzy La La Lavender, and I'm going to place it in the areas where Beetlejuice kind of has this moss coming out of him. We're just going to replace that moss with glitter. Honey, it's time to curl them lashes for some lift. I'm using L'Oreal's Voluminous Mascara, just starting at the base of my lash line and wiggling upwards. A wiggle, 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 wiggle. Check out these long, dramatic lashes. I actually cut off the edges of them because I want to use them as bottom lashes. Very long, separated, and spider-like. Because when I think about Tim Burton, who I love his creativity and his style. And when I think about his female characters in some of his other stories, like Emily from Corpse Bride or Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas, they have these really dramatic, spider-like, long, separated eyelashes. So that's why I'm using these ones. And wha-bam, back those beautiful eyes. Now taking this loose powder from Huda Beauty, I'm just gonna apply that all over the face and lock everything down with some One Size Beauty setting spray. For my lips, I'm gonna use this beautiful metallized sparkly pink color from Urban Decay called Big Bang. Big Bang! And I'm just gonna put it onto my finger and pat that right over my lips for a more softer look. Ladies and gentlemen, there is your Beetlejuice glam-inspired look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really had fun creating this. I have a Lydia Dietz tutorial on its way, so you guys could go ahead and check that one out. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do any other Tim Burton characters. And remember, you are beautiful, baby, so shine like a star. Mwah!